Hello, my name's Paul.
Emery.
Fantastic, easy, soothing technique, and very easy, very simple to do, but very effective based on neuroscience. So all you have to do, I'm going to keep it short, is bring to mind something which bothers you. I say maybe some stress or anxiety or worry or fear or anger, whatever it might be. Just bring it to mind. Close your eyes for a few seconds as you think about the thing which bothers you, which distresses you. And if it's been going on for a long time, whatever this problem is, then think about the first time that you recall, the first time that you remember this, whatever this problem is. Or if it's a recent thing, think about the recent events that created this. And where do you feel it in your body, this negative emotion? Is it in the chest area? Is it in the chest? Is it in the chest? Is it in the stomach? Where do you feel it? And if it had a colour, what colour would it be? Okay, so think about the worry, the feeling, past times that you had this perhaps, the first time, the last time, the most intense times. And scale it on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 is you don't feel anything. You feel great, feel neutral, calm, relaxed. And on a scale up to 10, 10 has been the highest negative emotion, 10 the highest feeling of fear or anxiety, worry, anger, whatever it might be. Where are you right now? And we'll come back to this at the end so you can judge where you are. You can easily watch this video over and over, and once you know the process, you can just apply it yourself without watching me. Or maybe it's quite nice and comforting to watch, to follow along with me. And some people say there are extra benefits by watching me go through this with you. So, okay, open your eyes. If they're not open already. You've already thought about the problem. You've already activated it in the brain. That's good enough. Now, your job is, whilst we apply the Havening touch, is to completely put it out of your mind, forget about it, and just focus on what we are doing. Okay? Great. So, in a moment, we're going to gently rub our arms like this, from the top of our shoulder down to our elbow. Or we can do our face like this, the forehead, the cheeks, or the hands. And as we go through the video, I might tell you to touch your arms or your face or your hands. Maybe also move your eyes to the left, and eyes to the right, and eyes to the left, eyes to the right. But meanwhile, just close your eyes, put it out of your mind, whatever the problem is. Hands on your shoulders, gently relaxed, stroke your arms. And I want you to imagine that you're somewhere nice. Walking somewhere nice, like a beach or a forest or a field, somewhere really nice and calm and peaceful. It could be real or imagined. And what would you see? What would you hear? What would you feel if you were walking this wonderful, nice place? And I want you to count to 20 aloud, preferably. And I want you to, as you count aloud, I should do it in my head. And okay, you count aloud now. Okay, wherever you are now, stop. That's great. Now we're going to hum some music. Humming helps also to distract the brain and help change the brain chemically. So we're going to hum any music you like, by the way, if you do this on your own. But with me together, we're going to hum a couple of choruses of Happy Birthday. So. And one more time. Great. Continue stroking your arms comfortingly, gently, and with your eyes open, look to the left and look to the right, and look to the left and look to the right, and look to the left and look to the right, and close your eyes and touch your face, your forehead, your cheeks comfortingly, smoothly. And imagine, if you like swimming, if you don't, you can pick something else, but imagine you're swimming somewhere nice. Beautiful water, the water temperature is fantastic, it's a beautiful day. And imagine swimming, feeling calm, peaceful, relaxed. And count to 20 aloud. I should do it in my head, you do it aloud. Okay, great. Wherever you are, stop now, and we're going to hum some music again. And one more time. Great, fantastic. And as you continue stroking your face, look to the left and look to the right, and look to the left and look to the right, to the left and look to the right, and close your eyes and just kind of massage your hands slowly, comfortingly. And I want you to imagine you have a beautiful bunch of flowers, the most beautiful bunch of flowers you can imagine. And I want you to put one flower at a time into a vase, calm, peaceful, relaxed. And as you put each flower into the vase, I want you to count aloud up to 20. Okay, and begin now. Okay, great. Stop wherever you are. And we're going to hum some music. And one more time. And open your eyes and look to the left and look to the right and look to the left and look to the right, look to the left and look to the right, and close your eyes, and you can do your shoulders again. Your top of your shoulders down to your elbow, and imagine you're holding a tennis ball in one of your hands, and I want you to throw it to the opposite hand, calm, peaceful, relaxed as you do so, and count to 20. Okay, great, stop there and hum some music. And one more time. Great, perfect. And open your eyes and look to the left and look to the right. And look to the left and look to the right. Look to the left and look to the right. And close your eyes and you can do your face again, your forehead, your cheeks. And imagine you're walking up or down a beautiful staircase or steps. Feeling calm and peaceful and relaxed as you walk up or down, and count to 20 and out aloud. Okay, great, stop there and hum some music. And again. And as you continue to stroke your face, look to the left and look to the right, and look to the left, look to the right, and look to the left and look to the right. Close your eyes and do your hands again. So rubbing your hands, it's nice and calm and peaceful and relaxed. I want you to imagine that you're putting 20 glasses onto a table, nice and calmly, and count aloud as you do that. Okay, great. Hum some music. And one more time. Great. Open your eyes, look to the left and look to the right. Look to the left and look to the right. To the left and look to the right. Close your eyes and put your hands on top of your arms. As you stroke your arms, I want you to say aloud, I'm becoming more calm, peaceful, relaxed. I'm becoming more calm, peaceful, and 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 relaxed. And then say calm, 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 peaceful, 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 relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. And keep your eyes closed and just stop there for a moment. With your eyes closed, just tune in to see how you feel. Think about that thing that was bothering you, that stress, anxiety, that worry, whatever it was, that distress. And as you think about it now, how does it feel? 0 to 10. 0 is no emotion, 10 is maximum. It should have significantly reduced. And all you have to do is to repeat the process if you need to go further. And you can use it again, as I said, for any concern. So just open your eyes. So hopefully you're feeling more calm, peaceful, and relaxed, and whatever was bothering you isn't bothering you either at all or not so much. And you can just repeat this process over and over again as you watch this. It's very easy, as I say, simple to do. If you have any questions, you can always email me at info@quantum.com.